Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today's video is regarding the 350E and it's the coolant change, how to do the coolant change. Obviously you don't do a coolant change for about 3 years on a motorbike generally, but if you've got a scooter yourself you might want to know how to do it. 350E basically it shows you the location of the coolant down output pipe through, then the actual coolant top up area. Well, it won't come out of the bottom screw hole until you take the actual cap off the coolant top up area where it's getting to now. So as soon as it releases the cap, then it releases pressure so the actual fluid can release up into the container at the bottom. What you have to remember in all coolant changes is somewhere on the motor there will be a release valve where when you put new coolant in, that when it starts dripping out of the top up, this one there, that one there on the thermostat, that then when you put new coolant in, as soon as it starts dripping out of there, you know it's all been bled, etc. You can start the bike up afterwards, let it run for a few minutes with cap on or off at this location, and then you can top up the fluid if necessary. It's best to start the bike afterwards, get it to a warm temperature so the thermostat is open, so all the coolant is flowing through the engine, and then top up the actual cap afterwards if necessary. Please subscribe to the channel. We have over 1,000 videos in our playlist on the channel, so you can view lots of different videos on how to do things to a motorbike or scooter. Thanks for watching. This is Man Mick signing off. I'll see you later. Bye for now.